Let's talk about division of integers. The two rules in division of integers are same signs, the quotient is positive. Different signs, the quotient is negative. Let's take a look at the first example. Positive 12 divided by positive 6. Both given are positive. So, 6 divided by 12 is 2. So, 6 times 2 will be 12. So, the answer is positive 2. The next one, negative 3 divided by positive 9. 9 is positive, 3 is negative. So, the quotient is negative since they are different signs. So, we divide 9 by 3. The answer is negative 3. So, the answer is negative 3. So, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. We subtract. So, the difference is 0. So, the answer is negative 3. Next, negative 8 divided by negative 4. 8 is negative, 4 is negative. So, the product, the quotient is positive. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, we have here positive 2. Positive 2 or 2. So, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So, we subtract. So, in rule of subtraction, keep the mean when negative 8. Then, change the sign of subtrahend. This will become positive. And proceed to addition. So, this will be 0. So, the answer, the quotient is positive 2. So, the quotient here is positive 2. Okay. Next, number 4. 36 divided by 9. 36 is positive, 9 is positive. So, 36 divided by 9 is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. We subtract. The result is 0. So, the answer is 4. For number 5, 6 divided by 0. So, 0 divided by 6. 6 is positive, 0 has no sign. So, we have here 0. So, 0 times 6 is 0 times 6 is 0. So, 0 minus 0 is 0. So, the answer here is 0. Let me make it smaller. Yeah. Okay. Next, number 6. How about number 6? 0 divided by 8. So, this time, our divisor is 0. In definition of division, the divisor must be positive or negative real number. So, since 0 is not a positive nor a negative number, therefore, 8 divided by 0 is undefined. The 0 is not negative nor positive. Not negative nor neither. The right word is neither. The 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay. So since 0 is not a positive number or negative number, therefore the sign of the quotient cannot be determined. So this is undefined. So when an undefined answer happen, so undefined an answer becomes undefined when the divisor is 0. So that's the time that your answer is undefined. Okay, I write it again. Undefined. Undefined. Okay. Undefined.